Bye-bye, nest. Ayan, ikot mo na. Ikot ko kayo muna sa Manitoba. Time check. It's 9:30 in the evening and the temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. Okay? Ayan, so 9:30 in the evening. Tapos dito, medyo bright pa, hindi po gabi. Pero sobrang gabi na ito sa Pinas eh. Ayan, ito pag summer, yung mga trees, yung mga tanim, greener na. Okay, mga tita kadayers, dito kadayers ko. I'm your Tita Inday in Canada, Manitoba. Hi, see? Ayan. So, ito yung life dito sa Manitoba. Simple lang. Parang ano siya, parang sa atin sa province. Provincia. Yan. Pag yung hometown mo sa Philippines ay sa province, hindi sa city, hindi sa capital city which is Manila, then it looks like this. Mga tita, tito ko kadayers. Ayan, this is Tita Inday kadayers. This is the beauty of living up north in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Okay. Ay, ang ginaw. Grabe yung hangin. So windy. Okay. So, maghanap tayo na. Ayan. So, kailangan po kayo pag gusto nyo, pag ito kasi yung area namin. Malapit sa lake. Kaya ito yung itsura. Ito yung area namin. Okay? So, pag gusto nyo sa big city, ayaw nyo ng lake or ayaw nyo ng maraming trees, punta kayo sa Vancouver or Toronto. Yan. Pero pag gusto nyo na peaceful ang surroundings at may maraming virgin forests or mga trees, so punta kayo dito sa aming province. Yan, saan na ba ako? Okay. Ayan, summertime. Okay. So, farm ko sa Pinas. Punta na kayo dito kasi it's summertime. Soon it will be fall season. After summer it's fall. combination of different varieties of trees that can survive in 4 seasons. So they will weather. It seems that they're dying during winter. Their leaves will fall, but after 5 months of winter, when it's time to spring and summer, they will grow like this, as green as this. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Ayan, those are Portage Community Hall. Ito yung mga work dito sa up north ng Winnipeg. Ang work dito ay fishing, farming. Ang daming mga rich yung mga farmers dito. Mga tita and tito kadayers. Okay? So, as of this time, ikot-ikot muna tayo sa area where I stay. And later on, I will show you where I work. Okay, mga tita kadayers ko, hello. Please likes and subscribe my channel. Yung channel ko pala is Stella Gallinero Vlog. Please share my channel. Please subscribe and share my vlog. Ayan. Okay, tingnan nyo yan. Ayan, ito yung mga tita kadayers and tito kadayers. This is a big farm. Farmers are very rich in here. Ayan, at mga cows. Hi, cows! Cows! Hello! Cows! They're black cows and white cows. Hello, cows! Cows! Hey, there's a baby. There's big. They're big, a lot. See? And that's the farm. Very rich farmers. Yan. Oh, so rich. Very rich. Hi, cows. Hello. Okay, so this is the name of our town, Gypsumville. Gypsumville. Okay, we're going back home now. Gypsumville, Manitoba. Okay. Okay. Okay, there's a First Nation kid who is missing. I feel sorry for you, boy. His name is Marcus McKay. Please help him. Help his parents pray that they will find him. Okay. Lord, please help that missing boy to be found. I want him to be safe. Okay, we're in the bridge. That's the lake.
The river.
River. Sorry, river. Next time pala, mga tita and tito kadayers ko, punta tayo sa lake. Okay, malapit sa bahay ko. just 15 minutes drive.
An hour drive from here.
No, what I mean from our place
To where?
to the lake.
Oh yeah, 15 minutes.
15 minutes, yeah. Ayan. So, time check. 9:56. So, medyo dumilim na ng konti. Kasi malapit na sa 10 p.m. Ayan. Don't you know that the province where I live, the Manitoba province, is rich in land. Yan.
Oh,
Rich in land. Okay. Ayan. Sobrang gabi na. Magabing dilim ang gabi. What is that?
76 kilometers.
Ang daming cars dyan. May fiesta ba? May fiesta yata doon sa kabila. Ang mga bahay dito, mga tito kadayers ko, ay hindi malapit sa medyo malayo ang mga kabahayan. Pero sa reserve namin, hindi masyadong malayo ang mga bahay na kilala din ang isa't isa. Okay? Kaya kung nangangarap kayo na mag-Canada, just be ready, because in Canada, this is the first world country. Medyo expensive lahat, pero magaganda din. Tapos, dapat kung nag-wish kayo, mga tito ko, kung nag-wish kayo na mag-stay sa Canada or mag-live sa Canada, you need to be ready with the cold temperature in here. In my area, pag winter time, sometimes it feels like minus 45 degrees negative. So sobrang ginaw yung temperature, sometimes 40 degrees, minus 40 degrees Celsius. So it's really freezing. Pag summertime, sobrang init din kasi sometimes 27, sometimes 28. Did it reach 30?
Yeah.
And sometimes the extreme temperature is 30 degrees. Yan. Pinakainit na yon or more.
30 Celsius.
Until 30?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's 30 degrees.
Tapos, paggabi, bumababa sa 20, 19, 18. So, medyo cool paggabi. Pag umaga, during summertime, ang daming flies, different insects, bees, mosquitoes, and a lot more. So, dito may snakes din, pero hindi sila masyadong dangerous katulad sa Philippines. Ayan. Okay. Nandito na tayo sa area ko. Okay, we're in Jepsonville now. Gabi na. Time check. Time check 10:49. And now the temperature turns into 18 degrees Celsius. Medyo magina ng konti. Okay, so ito yung police station namin dito. Yan. Si Tito Police. Yan yung station. Police station. Okay. Tapos ito nang papasok sa community. Sa pasok ng bahay. Okay. I promise that I will let you see my workplace. Ayan, ikot ko kayo sa workplace. Yung workplace ko pala, mga tita and tito, kadayers. Ang workplace ko pala is 5 minutes drive from my house. From our house. Ayan, ito yung tiny store dito. Maliliit lang pala yung mga stores dito. Kaya medyo wala masyadong job offer dito sa area. Ayan. Rolex. Medyo wala masyadong job offer dito. Kasi yung pinaprioritize ng ano dito, tao sa mga tao din nila pala sa ay ang ano na dilim na esensya na kayo. Ang dilim na papasok sa area of my responsibility. Ayan, ikot ko kayo sa sa workplace ko. Okay? Tingnan natin. Pakita ko sa inyo kung saan nag-work si Inday, Tita Inday Kadayers dito sa Canada. Manitoba, Canada. Ay, dilim. Malapit na tayo. So this is just a small town. Ang tawag sa town namin is Gypsumville, Manitoba. 3 hours from here, 3 hours away from the city of Winnipeg. So nagiging up north of Winnipeg po kami. Yan, nakikita nyo. Palibutan kami ng field and trees and labas lang dahil it's closed. Yung guard namin, close na yung gate. Yeah. We're going in. We'll turn right. Oh, sorry, left.
What year?
Right here? Oh, okay. The other side. But that one is oh, okay. Okay, good. Ayan, so before ako uwi, punta tayo muna sa kung saan ako nagwo-work. Kung saan si Tita Inday Kadayers nyo nagwo-work. Okay? So we'll turn left. Yan ang mga bahay dito. So yung school namin within the area lang. Tuturo ko sa inyo kung saan yung mga kasamaan ko nagstay, yung mga teachers. Yan ang teacherage. Saan nagstay ang mga kasamang guro. Okay, now that's my school. Yan, daycare dito. Okay, malaki din siya. And then yan yung part ng school. Okay, punta tayo sa so ito na yung workplace ko. Yan, close ang gate. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's my school. Okay, go. Yeah, I'm safe. Okay, man. Okay, yan ang school. Hanggang dito. Okay, now we'll go home. Go home now. Don't. Okay, turning right, going home. There's no mosquitoes today. So, huh? Okay. Walang ilaw. Ito pala yung bahay ko, guys. Mga tita and tito kadayers ko. Okay, that's my house. Now, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Okay, now... Oh, you want to go?
Yeah, well, they come inside.
You go. Kaya nagpaiwan na ako. Okay. I'm back now. Ito na yung bahay ni Tita Inday Kadayers nyo. And we'll open the door. Ang dilim. Okay. Ay, nako. Nako. Ito na. Yan, nagpaiwan na ako kasi may hinatid pa si Fafang. Okay. Pasok na tayo. Ang dilim. Ang dilim. Mga tita at tito kadayers. I'm back. I'm inside the house. I'm inside the house. Yan. Okay. God bless. Yan yung new plant ko pala. New indoor plant. Okay, I love you guys. I love you mga tita kadayers ko. Kasusunod na naman. God bless. Bye.